War day number 399. Yes. Welcome today in today's newspaper on a Wednesday, March the 29th, 2023. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. We have the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. But first I will solve these regular puzzles. The additional, I will do that tonight, in the evening. But first, the binary puzzle. Yeah, 399 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Tomorrow, day number 400, yeah. And Putin, yeah, has plans with nuclear weapons. Well, not pleased. I'm not pleased. So the war need to be stopped. The war need to be stopped. But how? All right. Puzzle number 6191. This will be. Oh, sorry. 6191, yeah, 6191. Let me correct this. 6191. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot. Cannot believe this. A lot. 39 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yeah. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Yeah. Between 2 1 comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Other pencil. Then double, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then number one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one. Number one, here no, there no, and double O, here one, there one. Completed in 5 minutes. Well, told you. Should be an easy one with 39 printed digits. Well, we solve it again without comparing. Yeah, without comparing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Otherwise, thumbs down. Otherwise, if you enjoyed the video, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with a second regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.